Hi everybody, I was gifted the cutest tabletop tree. It comes with moss and it is all together. You just take it out of the box. Now, it looks a little rough when you get it home. So all you're going to do is gently pull down the branches and it starts to look like a happy tree. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these all down. These have wires in the branches, so you can shape this however you see fit. I love this kind of tree too, because let's say you want to put it against the wall or maybe on your mantle and you don't have a ton of space. You can make the back side flat, and then the front is where you are going to make the magic happen. So let me zhuzh this up and then let's take some close-up looks. Okay, this tree is so great. It's a 24-inch artificial Norfolk pine and it comes with the pot. The branches feel real and so soft. I love these because they are not going to mark up your walls or your tables or anything. This is perfect for indoor or out. It is weatherproof. I just think it's the perfect size and it is so lifelike. It is made of this UV resistant PE material and it is so easy to maintain because it is water free and it just adds a touch of charm and a festive feel wherever you display it. I love this without ornaments. Of course, you can decorate it if you want, but I think it's just so sweet alone. The moss for the pot and that brushed copper look is so pretty. I am absolutely in love with this. I think you are going to love it too. Check out the links below. Highly recommend.